Hello viewers and welcome to question and answer time. Nastrumbo pindra mvunza ubva book The Great Controversy. Please usakangana ku subscribe and ku like channel ino. So I have set of questions that chibunza from the book Great Controversy and the cheaper my answers. The first question is from chapter 31. Irikut, what beings communicate with humans in scriptures? Zviko zvombotaura nevanhu zvatinoona muBhayibheri, and the answer is evil spirits. The next question, what was promised to men on conditions of obedience? And according to chapter 33 of the book Great Controversy, men on condition of obedience akapromiswa immortality, kusafa. The next question, how does neglect enable Satan's strategy? According to chapter 32, kuneglecta zvinhu zvaMwari, strategy inoshandiswa naSatan. Anoshandisa yatodaidza kuti mental preoccupation, kuti mupfungwa mako munogara muine zvinhu zvakawanda zviri against God, uye dzinogara dzine zvinhu zvakawanda zvekuita zvekuti you give little time to Bible study and prayer. The next question, how did Jesus respond to demons? According to chapter 31, kuma demon Jesus commanded. The next question, who is the most vulnerable? And this is according to chapter 31. Sakawari vulnerable to my attacks of Satan, ma denier, so anoramba, so kwadi. The next question, what leads to confusion? Zvinokonzeresa kuti munhu aconfuseke. And according to chapter 32 of Great Controversy, yakanzi the snares of Satan, zvinoita kuti munhu aconfuseke ma impressions. If you are impressed, kana paita munanapa wa impressed, then you are confused. The next question, how is are the dead conscious? According to chapter 33. Chapter 33 title yacho yakanzi, can our dead speak to us? So vanhu vakafa hapana chavanoziva. And this is according to Great Controversy chapter 33. Also Muparidzi 9 verse 5 in the scripture Ecclesiastes 9 verse 5 is clear. The dead know not anything. And the last question is, who can grant immortality? And according to chapter 33 of the book Great Controversy, only Christ can grant immortality. Jesu ega ndiye anokwanisa kukupa kusaura upenyu hwekusafa. Kana waona video ino ichikubetsera, usakanganwe kulike nekusubscribe. See you in the next video. God bless you.